What a beautiful sunrise, my friends. A great day to get out. This is the first episode of 2019, and I want to start it off right with my Traction Hobby 1/8 scale monster truck. It's really a trail truck. Single stage transmission, locked differentials all the way around. Though this is part of the Cragsman family, or the Cragsman lineup from Traction Hobby, I would say this is definitely the founder model with the all carbon fiber ladder frame chassis. I did go and change the tires to the 10th scale monster truck tires from my Axial SMT10. The reason why I did this is because they just fit so well on this 8th scale. Monster truck tires, 10 scale monster truck tires on a 1/8 scale trail truck, and they match, I think, in my opinion, so well. Sense Innovations S Dual Sound Kit in there, my friends. I want to enjoy the sun, get out in the backyard scale park and give her a rip. Beautiful truck. So icy, everything is crunchy outside right now, but a giant footprint on this truck makes it very capable. I might be a little biased about the giant blue Ford since this is what I drive in full size, minus the orange tires, but I'm seriously starting to consider it now. It just crawls. This is low speed crawling right here. Beautiful. It's actually a very steep incline here in person. Big monster truck tires, come on. Oh yeah, king of the hill. Well, I've taken this truck to the desert of California on vacation. And now, of course, in Canada, we're not really in the depths or clutches of a super cold winter right now, but still cold enough where all the tires and things have firmed up. This vehicle is actually extremely capable. Oversized tire fail right there. The top lid is actually held on by Velcro along the bottom, 2 pins at the back, and 2 earth magnets at the front. Magnets, Velcro, and then 2 pins at the back. So the oversized tires, they can lift up the front a little bit, but nothing too bad. Roll on! Come on, buddy. Nailed it. Off to the park. Right on. First crawl of 2019 for me at the backyard course. So these trail trucks retail for between $650 and $900 I've seen on Asia T's website, and I gotta say, like, all aluminum axles and everything I've like not had to do to this, it just came stock with it except for the tires. It kind of seems worth it to me. And I'm going to ask you guys, like, a lot of you guys have been in the hobby game a long time, and I got to say, I've got a lot of comments that say, geez, like, the truck is way overpriced. And if you guys have seen the videos of me unboxing it or do any kind of reviews or anything about it, you'll see it's pretty decent. And I gotta say, let me know in the comments section what you think. I haven't had to do any upgrades to it at all. How much does a good trail truck 10th scale cost you guys? Even if you're going the cheap route, like, go the ultimate cheap, tell me in the comments section what it is. And then if you're going on the expensive route, how much do you think your trail truck has cost you over time? And would you have put out less than that on a brand new one? I think it's a conversation piece. I want to know about it. There's a lot of different opinions out there. Who can spot my cat in the background? Always watching over the action. Is it frozen to the ground? No. This will be tricky. Beautiful transition. It's nice to have some tiki torches, even in the wintertime. No mosquitoes, but just kind of sets the mood for me. And yes, I am married. I have a kid. And yes, adults do play with these. In fact, it's mostly adults that play with these trucks. If you've never seen them before, you might be a little out of touch with what's going on. Maybe I'm a little out of touch with what's going on. I've been accused of that before. I accept that. Oh, nice. I almost bit the bullet there, almost falling right in. Wonderful. Well, if you had no opinion on the cost of trail trucks, are you even in the hobby? And if you are in the hobby, what are you into? I want to know in the comments section, just like what kind of hobby, RC trucks or planes or boats or tanks, or, you know, the options are endless these days. Wow. Nice and easy. Try not to hit those tennis balls. They're more of a gate marker. Just showing me where to go, but I try not to hit them only because in competition it does cost me to do that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You must think I'm crazy. Maybe I am, I don't know. I gotta say, check out my channel. I've got over 1,300 videos of very unique radio control hobby products. Anything as small as a 1/24th scale all the way up to a full-size RC skid steer. As crazy as that sounds, it's awesome. I've got a hurt back, so it does help that. I don't have to sit in it. Yeah, there we go. Well, there it is, guys. The 1/8 scale traction hobby trail truck. What a behemoth. Yes, I'm a little biased for sure. I've got one in the back that's a full size, but I gotta tell you, I sure do have a lot of fun with this product out on the trails. In both weather conditions, it does really well, except you can see my monster truck tires there. Because I covered the breather holes, I'm suffering the consequence in the cold right now. The air is condensed. It's sucking in that rubber on the inside there, but if I opened up the breather holes, of course it will relax, and of course when it warms up it will fill out again. This is also a good tip for you if you guys are putting tires onto bead locks, and if you're trying to get them a little bit fluffier, put the tire and the bead lock in the freezer, shrink them up, put them together, and when that air expands, of course it'll become a little bit more like a balloon. So there's a hot tip for you in RC land. Guys, thanks a lot for tuning into RC Adventures, and we will see you in the next episode. Now get outside, have some fun with the hobby of RC. Bye-bye.